Today we're going to make a tutorial to how to breed or tame a dog, a cow, a chicken, a pig, and a sheep. Okay, going to need this here. Going to get the seeds. So if you're in survival, you have to go go look for the animals. But if you're in creative, you can spawn them with their eggs. Okay, first we're going to the dog. No, we're going to the we're going to the wolves. To the dogs. How to train them to become your pet. See there, you take the bone, you press tame. Sometimes it's going to take one time, sometimes it's going to take 2 times. Okay. Wild. I'm going to spawn in the tame. One bone there, second bone, third bone, fourth bone. Okay, there it is. So if you want them to do what you want to do, first you have to make them your pet. Then you have to go look for some food like meat, put it on there and feed them so the hearts can get up there. Then you feed another one and then they make a baby. As you can see there, a small baby. Okay, that one are done. Now we go to the cows. Okay, for the cows you need wheat. First feed the first one, then feed the other one. It makes a baby cow. As you can see, there is the baby cow. If you want the baby cow to grow up fast, you can feed it like this. Grow up fast, as you can see there. Let's take that one. There. See there? That's how to tame those 2 animals, like the dog and the cow. Now we go to the chickens. The chickens is simple. You just need some seeds. You can get them from that small bushes or small trees or things. As you can see there is a small chicken. Now you can do the same to make it grow up faster. Yes. Okay, that's how to tame or breed chickens. Now you go to the pigs. You will need a carrot. Yes. Now we're gonna feed the first pig, then the other pig, then it made a baby pig. See, there is the small pig. See, there it is. Now you go to the sheep. Here you also need some wheat. First one, second one, and there the baby comes out. To make them grow up faster, you can do this too. With the other one, feed that one too, so they can make some babies. So there is how to tame those 5 animals or creatures. Okay, as you can see, the wolves are chasing me around. You see there? The wolves are